Guys, on this video today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can trade with AI bots and make profit on Binance. As you can see, guys, on my screenshot here, this is my Binance balance and I'm refreshing it so you can see it's real. And guys, let me show you something that many people have never found on the internet today. If I click on trade here and then I go click on the three dots here on Binance and then click on bots, you can see there are many bots. Like this one has a PNL of 4,054. This one has 2,000 and many more. There are bots called Spot Grid Bot, Futures Grid Bot, and DCA bots. But the problem with the Binance, guys, it's that it has low returns. The returns are very low on investment. Like for example, if you want to make 1,000,000 shillings in a month, you need to deposit at least 10 million. So that's the problem. But on this video today, I'm going to show you how you can start trading with this type of bots using as minimum capital as possible. So without wasting time, let me take you to there. So guys, the exchange we are going to use right now, it's called trexbig.com. Okay, this is the exchange we are going to use today, trading with bots. So just chill with me, create account on trexbig.com and then do exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first step, guys, you need to find an AI bot. These are you can click on the three dots here, and then when you scroll down here, you'll go to trading bots. And you can see here there are free bots, there are pro bots, elite bots, VIP. So we are not going to choose any free, or we are not going to choose pro elite membership. We are going to choose AI. And on AI here, you can see we have a free bot called NeuroPulse AI. This is the bot we are going to use that has a return of 53.24 daily. So, okay guys, so and it has been ran by 2,840 users, as you can see here. This bot is an entry level neural network bot, analysis sentiment and price action in stead market. It buys low here and sells high there, and as you can see, it's AI powered. So this is the bot we are going to use, called NeuroPulse AI. So some might be wondering how to know that the bot will work. If you want to know the bot that it's working, guys, it's very simple. Just go to this one, just click on the three dots and then click on the crypto wallet, and then guys, switch to demo account. Okay, you can test the trading bot using the demo account. So now I'll click on the three dots and then again go to trading bot, since I'm now on demo account, and I'm going to click AI and then I'll copy this. So to trade with this bot, I'm going to click copy, and then guys, as you can see the chart here, the chart is very normal. You can see we don't see buy, sell or anything. The chart is very normal, as it is supposed to be. Okay, so guys, I will now click on the bot details and then activate the bot, and you'll see what will happen. So I'll click on bot details, sorry, and then I'll scroll down here because I have 5,000 on my demo account. I'm going to put here, let me put 1,000. Okay, and you can see 1,000, guys, it's bringing me 532. So then I'll click on sign terms. Okay, so now you can see the bot has started executing trades on the market. Now I'll click on the chart and show you what's going on, guys. You can see what's happening now. We can see the buy and sells. Here they are. So when you see the bot doing this, it means that the bot is really working. Remember guys, I'm running the bot using a demo, and it's 2 minutes until it finishes trading, and then we will see what's the result, guys. So once you see this type of buy sell, just know that the bot is now in motion. So we just give it one minute to go, and then we will close this and see whether the bot has really done that magic on our demo account. Remember, I'm trading now on demo. After this, I'm going to switch to real account and deposit money, and you'll see me trading using the live account and then doing withdrawal. Just be with me, one more minute to go. 57 seconds to go, guys, and you can see the chart now. Where the chart is, you can see it's upper price, so it's to mean the bot is buying up and selling low. Okay, this is the upper price and the lower price. Once the bot finishes trading on these seconds remaining here, guys, the chart must go into normal. Okay, so let's give it some moment, and you can see the live trading view here, this one. So let's give it a moment, guys. Few more seconds to go. Now the bot should be stopping in a few seconds, guys, and then we will check our balance. You can see the bot has stopped trading now. Pulse AI with 53.424% return. So now, guys, I'll click on this and then go back to my account, and you can see I had 5k. Now it has turned to 5,532. Remember, this is not real money, so this is a demo account. So now what I'm going to do now, guys, is to trade with live account. Okay, so I'll now click on real account. You can see my real account has 0.35, so I'm going to deposit amount here. I'll click on deposit, and then I'll go to funding wallet, and then amount I'm going to put 300 USDT, and then I'll click get deposit address, and then you can see this is my deposit address, guys. So now I'm going to copy my deposit address and go to Binance and send the 300 on this exchange. So now I'm going to my exchange, and to withdraw from the exchange called Binance, guys, you click on assets, and then you click on send, and then you click on withdraw crypto USDT, and then you long press that address here, and you choose the network TRX. Amount you put 300. Okay, guys, so this is how it goes. Remember, you need to put a network fee. This one has, if you put only 300, the receiving amount will be 399. So I'm going to put 301, and the receiving will be 300, and then click withdraw. And then now here you need to confirm your passkey. Remember, your passkeys are for your own privacy. Do not show your passkeys or your email and password to anyone. Okay, these are your own important things. So now I'm clicking confirm and then hide my password. So guys, I was hiding my passkey because my passkey is my personal information, and if anyone has your passkey, guys, they can tamper with your account. So do not show your passkeys or your emails to anyone. So now, guys, after now clicking the withdrawal, I'll click on view history, and you can see the withdrawal is now pending. So what I'm going to do, guys, is just wait for the deposit to appear. Okay, I'm now waiting for the deposit to be detected on my account. It usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes at most. So let's give it a moment and hang up. Just be patient here. Just a little bit patient. And so, guys, you can see the deposit has been credited automatically. It's always automatic, so do not worry, and you only need to be patient. And now the deposit is here, and it's now credited, guys. So my next step now, I'm going to trade with AI now. You can see now my balance has updated. So now I'll click on the three dots again, and then I'll go to trading bots, and I'll choose AI, and then I'll choose the neural pulse AI, and then I'll click copy, and then, guys, I'm going to put the stake amount 300 USDT, and then I'll click on sign terms. Okay, guys, so the bot is now running as expected on the demo, and let's see whether it will do the same thing as it did on demo. Let's see. So you can see the bot is running. We have 1.4, 1 minute and 40 seconds to go. Just give it a few minutes, guys, just a few minutes, not a minute though. Anyway, it's 1 minute and 20 seconds to go. Okay, the bot usually runs within 1 hour, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, depends how the market is. If the market is good, it can run 1 minute. If the market is bad, it can even tell you it will run for 1 hour. So it all depends, okay, how you meet the market. So the bot now is running and executing trades in real time. Let's give it some time to finish. Let's give it some time, guys. Just a few minutes to go. Few seconds, sorry. Few seconds to go. The bot is running. You can see the live trade feed is here, live in real time. So we're just waiting for it. And remember, guys, what you need to do is just follow what I'm doing and do exactly what I'm doing. You don't need any more skills, and you can trust me on this, okay? Yes, guys, so the bot is still running. And remember, guys, this video is for educational purpose only, unless you do exactly what I have done. We have 4 seconds, guys, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, 0. Now the bot is going to finish trading in a moment. Let's give it some views. Okay, guys, here we go. The bot has finished trading. Once you see this pop up, the neural AI bot has finished trading on a BTC USDT pair with an investment. It is here and a profit and duration. Okay, so at this time now, guys, you need to close here and then go to your account. On your account here, you need now to withdraw your earnings to your account. You can withdraw everything you want, or you can just withdraw some part, but for me, I'm going to show you that it's possible. I can withdraw everything. So now to withdraw, guys, you need to click on the 3 dots again, and then you go to crypto wallet and then withdraw. And then, guys, you need to scroll down here and choose spot wallet, because after trading your funds will go to spot wallet, and then put minimum amount, you put maximum. Because I'm withdrawing everything, so I'm going to choose maximum. And then, guys, you need to click on continue to address, and then you go to your Binance, your Bybit, or any exchange that you used to, and then you need to click on add funds, and then deposit crypto. You need to get your address, and then you choose USDT, and TRX is the network always, and then you copy this address, guys. You go back here and you paste the address here. You then repeat pasting the address again, and then you click on review, and then you need to put your email verification code to confirm the withdrawal, guys. So, guys, I'm going to head to my email now, and then copy my verification code is here, and then copy the verification code, go back here and paste it, and then confirm withdrawal. So as we said, guys, the withdrawal is always automatic, and you do not need to worry about anything. Just be patient as the withdrawal is processing, and then it always takes about 2 to 10 minutes. If it delays almost a lot, it's about 20 minutes. So, guys, I'm now still waiting for the withdrawal to be received, but immediately you see confirming here, the withdrawal must be on the blockchain now. If I click on view on Transcan, let's see. Okay, you can see the withdrawal is here. It's successful, but it's not confirmed yet. So let's give it a few moments, just a few more minutes, guys. Okay, just waiting for it to touch my account, and then it will be okay. You can see now I did a withdrawal of 459 and my receiving amount will be 442. So guys, since I started with the 300, the total amount will be the total profit will be 142. Okay, so you can see the withdrawal has been confirmed and it's now completed. Here you can see the date and time. Okay, so the next step, guys, I need to go to my Binance and confirm if really the withdrawal did come. Yes, you can see here it's my withdrawal of 442.935, and now my balance has updated to 18040 USDT. So guys, that is how you trade using AI bots in very simple steps. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video. When you make this video on your FYP, make sure you like this video, you save it, because this video might never appear anywhere in your FYP. This is very important video, and thank you so much for watching. I love you all.